how to fix Android installation error for premium modded game or files. In this video, we will bypass app not installed, roadblock by craving installer crash, culprits that store premium modded files, unlocking restricted tools and minimizing digital efficiency without error. I'm going to show you everything you need to know concerning this particular video. And if this is your first time seeing our video here, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you will be the first person to see it. Without wasting time, let's move on to the video.
We are going to look into two things that can stop or cause installation error to that app you have been downloading. The first thing you are going to look, you go to your file manager. After you have entered your file manager, then you go to your internal or external storage. You can see internal storage here. You look the space of your M card, your memory card, your SD card. If this is the total storage here, and you can see the space that I've used. So from here now, if your own there, if you see like from here it's showing 256 gig, and if the front of your own is showing exactly what the back is showing, definitely you need to delete some files from your phone before that app can work. And if you delete some files from your phone, if you delete some files from your phone, then you go and try it to download the app. If it did work, then you come to the second option. You go to your setting. Then from the setting, you come to this option where you can do your search, where you can search any part of your phone. So you type application manager or app manager. So you can see my application management there. Then after you enter there, the next thing you are going to do, look for go to unused app. Look for unused app. So from here now, these are the unused app that I've used almost 6 months ago. You can see it from here. So you delete anyone from this angle. After you have deleted it, then the next thing you're going to do is that you come to your main app manager. Inside the app manager, you come to this option where you type Play Store. So you look for your Play Store there, you open it. Inside there, come to storage usage. Inside the storage usage, you click it. Then the next thing you're going to do, you come to clear data. You touch it. Then immediately you touch it, you touch on the delete. Then you come to the button when showing clear crashes, you touch it. So after doing that, the next thing you're going to do is that you come to force stop. You touch on the force stop, which is this option here. You touch on it. So after you have touched it, you go to your Play Store. So by doing this whole thing, it will allow you to install the app successful.
If this video really helped you, and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video based on this topic, you will be the first person to see it. And if there's anywhere you don't understand in this video, you can drop it in the comment section and I will come to answer each and every comment on the comment section there. Like the video and share it with your friends that are in need of it.